HarperCollins presents The Fox's Hiccups, written, illustrated and read by Nick Butterworth. The first stars were beginning to show in the sky as Percy the Park Keeper made his way home to his hut in the park. He had been working hard all day, and he was tired and hungry. Now he was looking forward to his supper and a good rest. As Percy plodded on, he saw his friend the fox coming up the path towards him. The fox was on his way home too. "Good night," said Percy as they passed each other. "Good night, Percy," answered the fox. The fox had hiccups. The fox had been drinking some fizzy lemonade when a squirrel told him a funny joke about a parrot.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?